Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track upcoming IPOs in Trading 212. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to stay updated on new IPO listings in Trading 212, here's how you can do it. First, visit external IPO tracking websites such as IPOscoop.com, MarketWatch's IPO calendar, and Nasdaq's IPO activity page. These platforms provide information on upcoming IPOs, including expected dates and company details. Next, understand that Trading 212 adds new IPO stocks once they become available through their data provider. This means that IPOs are typically added to the platform on the day they start trading, usually between 2 and 4 p.m. Then monitor the Trading 212 community forum, where users regularly post updates on new IPO listings. This can be a valuable resource for real-time information on stock additions. After that, follow Trading 212's official X. The account name is @Trading212. There will be announcements and updates on new stock listings and platform features. Finally, remember that while you can't place orders for an IPO before it's live on Trading 212, you can prepare by searching the company and setting up alerts to act promptly once the stock becomes available. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.